Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cinematic intro title on CapCut PC. So I'll just add in this default text. Let me just change this ratio. I'm just going to type in cinematic. If I can just type, select any font that you want. I'll select this one. Adjust the duration a little bit if you'd like to as well. Right click, create compound clip. Go to video, go to mask and select the mirror, and you're just going to rotate it a little bit. Feather it out just a little bit and place it up here. Add a keyframe, and at the end you're going to grab the mask and place it down here. I'm just going to go back actually, and I'm going to feather it out a little bit more. But I'm going to make it a little bit smaller like so. Then I'll add in a keyframe here, and then again right about here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.